AMLA strengthens the hair follicles. It helps to prevent your hair from graying. It also stimulates hair growth and it smooths the hair cuticle while also improving curl definition. The great benefits of AMLA are all due to its rich content of fatty acids, vitamin C, iron, calcium, antioxidants, and keratin, a pigment found in various plants. Containing antiviral and antibacterial properties, aloe vera has a similar chemical makeup to keratin. It's rich in amino acids, vitamins A, B, C, and E. It keeps the hair hydrated and moisturized. It repairs dead skin cells on the scalp, and it prevents itching, flaking, and inflammation. Finally, hemp helps to stimulate hair growth. It improves blood circulation in the scalp because it's also rich in omegas 3, 6, and 9, the beneficial fatty acids necessary for an environment of hair growth. Hemp also strengthens the hair to prevent breakage, as it helps to protect your hair's moisture levels. Before I start the process of applying the pre-poo, I spray my hair with water, getting it nice and damp. As shown earlier in the video, amla and hemp both have many properties that make it very beneficial for the hair. So I take my time working through this mixture because I'm going to allow this to sit on my hair for at least 2 hours. While I do have fine hair and I'm able to apply the pre-poo to my hair in large sections, I do make sure that every strand is covered, and so I will go to the underside and work it through from root to tip. At times I find the need to spray my hair with a bit more water as I'm applying the pre-poo, because when working it through, I'm also doing a bit of detangling. Wearing these gloves helps me to move and work through my hair with ease so that I can break down tangles and so that I'm able to just work all the pre-poo through my hair without any breakage. Now that I'm finished working the pre-poo through the back of my hair, I'm going to work on the front and save that crown section for last. And the reason being is that I treat my crown, as I mentioned in a previous video, like a separate head of hair. That helps me to work more product into the crown area because that area is the most coarse. It is also the area of my hair that takes the most brunt of, the sun and just being a little bit more dry. It needs a lot more TLC. Now that the front and the back is done, it's time to move on to that crown. Do you see how my crown is growing in? I take the time to really work through product and massage product into that hair. It is very low porosity in that section. It's also a tighter curl pattern than the rest of my hair. And because my crown is special, it gets the last bit of product, the last yummy bite, just down to the nitty gritty. And I'm just working it through all of that section. My crown is retaining about a half an inch a month with no breakage.